Join me today as we bring in some Christmas cheer while painting beautiful baubles. To paint these beautiful Christmas baubles, I use watercolor paper, watercolor paints in the shades red, green and gold, round brushes in sizes 6, 2 and 0, white gouache or a white gel pen, a jar of water, a pencil, tape, a ruler and a paper towel. We begin by sketching Christmas baubles. Let's start painting these beautiful Christmas baubles by wetting the paper with clear water within one of the baubles. We begin painting using green. Sweep your brush across the paper and enjoy watching the paint spread over the paper. Isn't it relaxing? Now let's continue painting the bauble. Lighten the paint towards the top left portion of the bauble. We use a darker tone towards the bottom portion of the bauble. Relax and enjoy the process of spreading color over the paper as you sweep your brush across the paper. And there we have painted beautiful Christmas baubles to bring in some Christmas cheer. Hope you enjoyed painting along and feel refreshed and relaxed after creating this painting.